G'day guys, how are we? So, we are back to doing this beast. And I am so stoked because what we're going to be doing this time is we're going to be wrapping the flares and we're going to be putting those little rubber seals on it, so it just makes the whole thing look nice and complete. So that's what we're going to be doing in this video. And yeah, should be awesome. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking off all the flares, then I'll take them inside and I'll wrap them. And then I'll see you guys tomorrow once they are wrapped. So I'm pretty damn stoked for this and we can chuck it on together. So yeah, that's gonna be mad and I'm like seriously really excited for it. So yeah, I am so excited for this build to start to get a little bit better. I am putting the wrap on and everything now. I probably will take it off in the future again, but this weekend I have got a meet that Fletcher's holding, so I don't want to miss that obviously. So we're gonna get the car nice and back together for the meet. That way I can attend that. So let's wrap the flares and put those rubber trimmings on. And let's get to it. Wait a second, it's not the next day and I haven't wrapped it yet, I know. It has been 2 days later actually, and I haven't wrapped it. The car is still sitting there with no flares on it. And I've got the meet tomorrow, so I really need to get a wiggle on. But I have to sand it because I sanded it last night and I didn't record it stupidly. And I need to do more sanding. So first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be sanding, then we're going to be wrapping, and then I'll see you guys when I put on the flares. I don't know whether I'll put on the flares tonight or I'll put them on tomorrow, but we will see. So anyways, I shall see you guys whenever I see you, I guess. So see you guys then. Alright, it has been a few days and they're completely wrapped, as you guys can see. I've laid them all around the car exactly where they're going to go, and we're going to chuck them on the car. And I've also got these little rubber bits which I'll show you guys really quick. These rubber bits just here. They can go in between the flares and hopefully make the fitment be perfect. Yeah, and complete the look of it. So anyways, I'm just not going to waste any more time and we're going to get straight on to putting these flares on, and fingers crossed they look awesome. And there should be pretty damn good fitment to the wheels as well, like within reason. So yeah, I'm excited. Let's get going on to putting these flares on. There you go. saw, we have went and we have put the flares on and the rubbers, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. You ready? You ready? Boom. So, as you guys can see, we have got the rubbers on. I really like the look of it. Like, I'm stoked with it. Same goes with the back. Like, I think these flares look 1,000,000 times better. These rubbers, I'm probably going to get new ones because the previous owner of these flares did really bad cuts and they kind of look a little bit dodgy. So I am going to get new sort of bits. Like, as you can see, that's a really bad one. And yeah, I'm trying to be basically perfect with this. So definitely going to get new rubber bits for it. Even just here, like, it doesn't really match up right. And just so you guys know, there are imperfections in the flares wrap, and it's because I wrapped it really fast because I got one of Fletcher's meets tomorrow. So I did smash through it, and we are going to be wrapping the whole car again, which includes the flares, because when you wrap a car, sometimes different rolls of vinyl has a different color to it. So I will be wrapping the flares all over again, which is more than happy to do. That way they'll be completely perfect, and I will spend every single little bit of time on them. I also need to sand them back a little bit, still again, because they do have little bits of imperfections on them. Just there, that's not a bubble, it's actually imperfections on the vinyl. So yeah, anyways, I am really, really happy with these flares. Like, I'll show you guys again. Like, the fitment of these flares are really, really, really good. Like, I'm stoked with it. There's this one little bit here that's a little bit off. That's fine, I can just glue that right there and you'll never notice. And I'll just push this in a little bit. But yeah, I am like seriously like ridiculously happy with these. And same with the other side. The other side, this side's like quite literally perfect. So yeah, it looks really, really, really nice. So now the only thing to do is to go ahead and air it out. So without any further ado, let's go see the excitement of airing it out, because I already know, especially on this side, the fitment is like really, really nice aired out. So there you go, let's have a look. Alright, the moment of truth. Will she look good when she airs out? Alright, so as you guys can see, the airing out of this looked really, really good. Like, look at the fitment. That fitment there is pretty darn good. Like, goddamn. I am stoked with that. We still got to lower it quite a bit further. We need to make it so basically this part here touches exactly the lip, which should make this thing look like incredible. So I am ridiculously excited for that. And hopefully that's not too far away. I'm hoping it's gonna be in the next few videos. However, I really, really still do want to try and get that beast out the front there on the road and running. So the next few videos might be that, especially since it sucks to say, but my beautiful car did not make it into status, which was the thing I was trying to get into. But that is actually a good thing, because the day after status, there's something called Rexmas on. And that is where basically a lot of Subarus and the occasional other car goes out and basically has a track day. And seems I'm not making the car exactly perfect. Well, I'm not in a rush to do it before the 10th of December. We can track this thing, and I think I'm gonna do it. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do it. I reckon that would be awesome, just before we make this thing immaculate. I would like to track it once or twice. And even when we do make it immaculate, I still would like to track it. Yeah, I don't know. Before I put on more camber and everything, I think I would like to track it just before that. So yeah, I am extremely stoked to be able to say that I might be tracking it. I'm saying a lot of tracking word, but yeah. So let me know in the comment if you guys think that's a good idea or not. So yeah, but moving on to the flares though. These flares look amazing. The front fitment needs some desperate work, like that is shocking. But the back fitment is really, really nice. The fitment of the flares is really, really nice. I was gonna fix that one little bit just here. And yeah, other than that, I am absolutely stoked with the flares. I'll show you guys one more time. On this side, it isn't as nice, but the fitment's still pretty damn good. So can't fault too much, I guess, until we actually properly work on the fitment. But yeah, I am stoked with it. Look at that fitment, god damn. Look at that. But yeah, all right, so that has come to the end for this video. I appreciate you guys all for watching, and don't forget to put in the comments whether you think I should track the Rexy. Also put in the comments any like modification ideas you have for either the Rexy or the BMW. Yeah, I really like reading you guys' comments, so if you guys comment, that's awesome. I love that. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, then give it a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I shall see you guys next video. By the way, I'm trying to post every third day. No promises though. We're trying to get there, so yeah. See you guys then. See you later.